Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond. We got some major news, major catalysts to discuss about the stock, and it's going to help you if you are in the position to make up your mind whether you want to stick to that position or you want to come out. I don't want to give you a financial advice, but I'll give the facts to you and you make a decision on yourself. So let's talk about the catalyst that dropped today. What is happening? So basically, there was a contract between Hudson Bay and Bed Bath & Beyond, which got terminated. You know, Hudson Bay came out of the deal. They said, you want to forget you. I don't want to go with this offering that you were offering, you know, that $1 billion they were supposed to give. They came out of the position. So then now they have a new offering upstanding. And what they're trying to do, they're trying to collect $300 million. And what this warrant is going to do is going to bring their stock up to 807 million shares. Okay, that's huge. Right now, their outstanding shares are about 428 million. That's going to bring it to whopping 807 million. Forget about the price. This is going to dilute the price. There's no time. And again, when the time of this offering, the stock price was 79 cents. Soon they announced this whole thing, stock has tumbled down to 58 cents because a lot of retail investors are coming out of the position and also a lot of shorting also going on for the stock. And if we go to the CTB right now, cost to borrow, look at this. There's not a lot of shares. You know, if, for example, in today morning, they started with 1.1 million and they sold out pretty good. This is CTB is a cost to borrow. Okay. For the folks that don't know, when you're shorting the stock, you have to borrow the stock from a broker. So these firms borrow the stock from the broker, sell it in the market because they know the price of the stock is going to come down so they could buy it cheaper. So for example, the stock was hovering around 74 cents. They would have borrowed it from the broker because they know the price is going to go down to like 54 cents, 59 cents. When it gets to that level, they buy the shares back from the market, pay back broker the share and the fee, which is listed here, take home the profit. And they sold out pretty good. And, you know, right now, like the bounce was like 150,000 close the market. So with that being said, CTB is really down. And also the other thing is the short interest is still really high. It's 71% for the stock, which is really, really high. So selling from the retail investors, lack of interest, also the short selling, and this news that dropped for dilution is pretty much not looking too good for Bed Bath & Beyond. And I do anticipate the stock right now to go even further down. I made a video like 3 days ago, you know, which I told you guys that I'm looking at a stock going down to 30 cents, 40 cents. Because look, we started making videos on the stock a while ago now, and all these levels that you see here, these used to be demand levels. A lot of people were sitting here trying to buy the stock, and eventually became supply levels. People just coming out of it. You know, sellers won. There were no more buyers around this price target, and then you know there was good price target around 74 cents. Even that was crushed after this offering, and at this point, even they're going to do the reverse stock split 1-to-5. With that being said, I do believe at this point, you know, things are not looking good for Bed Bath & Beyond. And if you are looking at the stock right now, I would definitely be careful on how much money you're putting in. And always, you know, I mean, not to give you financial advice, but, you know, play safe, have your stop losses accordingly, you know, invest whatever you can, you know, you're willing to lose. Because at this point, this stock is heading down, in my opinion. I think it's going to go down to 30 cents, 40 cents, if you ask me. And I think tomorrow we're going to be having another worse day for the stock. So hope you guys are liking these videos. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.